श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। Myself Suhash Sharma, studying in 11th standard Chaitanya College.
Myself Pradeep Sharma, working in SAE Hydraulics.
We are learning Veda Patam at Sanatana Veda Patashala in Vidyaranyapura.
Now we are chanting Bhagya Suktam.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Om Prataragnim Pratarindragam Havamahe Pratarmitra Varuna Pratarashvina Pratarbhagam Poshanam Brahmanaspatim Pratasomamutarudragam Huvema Pratarjitam Bhagamugragam Huvema Vayam Putramaditeryo Vidharta Adraschidyam Manyamanasturaschidraja Chidyam Bhagam Bhakshityaha Bhagapranetar Bhagasatyarado Bhagemandhiyamudavadadannaha Bhagaprano janayagobhirashvairBhagapranrubirnruvantasyama Utedanim Bhagavantasyamotaprapitva utamadhye Anhaam Utoditamaghavan Suryasya Vayan Devanagam Sumatausyama Bhaga eva Bhagavagam astu devastena vayam Bhagavantasyama Tantva Bhaga sarva ijjo havimi sano Bhagapura eta bhaveha Samadvara yoshaso namantadadhikrave vashuchaye padaya Arvachinau vasuvidham bhaganno rathamivashvavajina avahanto Ashvavatergomaterna ushaso viravatis sadamucchantu bhadraha Hratanduhana vishvatah prapena yuyam pata swastibhis sadanaha Yoma agne bhaginagam santamata bhaganchikirshati Abhagamagne tankuru mamagne bhaginam kuru Bhagyadevataye namaha Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tatsarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu